What's good, boys? Bronnie-FX. It is June 29th today. It is Monday. It's a new week. And we started this week off with a banger. So today's video is going to be going over the trade we took. We did bang for, I'll put it up on the stream right now. We did bang for 8,580, I think, something like that. I did have a couple evals rolling, but I had 10 PAs being traded as well, 10 fundeds. I didn't use all of my fundeds today. I usually swap them in rotation, but we did bang. We had a beautiful trade, and I'd love to show you guys the trade we took. So without further ado, let's hop onto the chart. All right, guys. So today we took our trade on MNQ, NASDAQ. I will go back in time here to show y'all. So first things first, our levels. Where were our levels today? Well, we had a very clear top level today, right around here-ish. I actually gotta go back in time a little bit more. No, it's fine. That's fine. Yeah, right around here was our top level. And our bot level, we kind of played. I'm actually pretty sure I had this higher. I had this up here just to be safe because I didn't like this wick. If you guys can see this wick, sorry, I don't have my glasses on. I left them downstairs. But this wick here is in line with all of these touches over here. So we had our top level just a little bit higher, just to be safe. I mean, if we have it here, like, it's fine, but if price breaks above, then it's kind of just like a false level, you know what I mean? So you might as well put it here just to be safe regardless. And our bot level, we played right around here, again in line with this wick, but also touches just a really big support level. You could even play it here if you wanted to, which I'm actually pretty sure is where I had it. Now that I'm looking at it, it's good to always go through, because you see, like, for now, just then I was like, okay, our level's here, but really when you actually look at it, it's not. It's down here, and you want to play it safe all the time. We're not even going to look at US 30 today because we didn't take it, and it kind of looked like poo anyways. But M&Q, those were our levels, really good levels. Now for the point of control. Point of controls, someone asked me this today actually, and it was, where should I start my point of control? Well, for today, it's a little different, because do you want to cover this entire range? Yes. So technically you would put it here. However, it is a Monday, it's a new week, and I don't care about all this shit going on. So I just started from the end of this little range and called it a day. You got to be a little bit careful with your point of controls on Mondays, but as the week goes on, it gets better and better. So this is what we're looking at when we started session. But yeah, without further ado, let's start market open. Let's see here. So market opens. I called out that what I wanted to see today was, I wanted to see shorts. I wanted price to push up off entry, and then fully short itself, and we can target our point of control. So the trade would have looked like market open rips up, we get a wick out, and the candle reverses, and we could take something like this. This is what I was hoping for off market open. However, we did not get that today. We got not market open yet. One sec. I think it's this next two candles. Okay. So yeah, as you guys see, off market open, the first candle pushed up. So we got that push up. However, it happened really fast, and it wasn't really big enough of a push for me to be like, okay, we're taking shorts right here, right? Now, if you did take shorts here with the game time, you would have banked, because you would have trail stopped. You probably would have closed for, let's just see. Let's actually just go ahead and look. So it didn't fully hit the point of control, but it did wick this point of control area before reversing. If you did take this, it did hit the 1 to 3, so you would have, no matter what, have trail stop to a 1 to 2 here. Sorry about that. You would have, no matter what, closed for a 1 to 2 here. But if you were lucky and your point of control was in a different part, yeah, you probably would have closed for the full 1 to 3. But if I had taken the trade, I would have closed for a 1 to 2. Just because I would have trail stopped, and we would have got wicked out when it hit our stops. But I saw this, I was patient. But I saw this, I was patient, and I waited for this to reverse. I mean, we just had a nice big push down. We just wicked out our point of control, basically. So I'm really now looking for longs off this candle. I'm looking for longs here, and I'm targeting this top level, right? You're probably looking at a 1 to 4 here if you did enter. So let's just see. So we'll place our trade. And we're looking for this to flip. So this candle needs to flip. It flips, it gives us our entry. And just like that, we're in. So at this point, I'm trail stopping. So what happened here, as soon as it hits a 1 to 1, I'm break even. As soon as it's a 1 to 2, I'm at a 1 to 1. That, or you can trail the wicks. So we'll trail to this wick. I did not do this. I'll explain what happened to me in a minute. But you could trail to this wick, wait for next candle. Okay, trail to the top of this, right? It's basically at full TP anyways, but you never know. Let's just keep seeing, because I actually don't know. Okay, stopped out. So because we trail stopped with the wicks, we ended up closing for a 1 to 2.96. So really good, really simple trade, and it happened in 3 minutes. Not even. About 3 minutes, right? For me though, I ended up taking this trade. It came down a little bit after it entered. Almost actually got stopped out, to be honest. But we ended up pushing, and I trailed my stops to the 1 to 2 as soon as it hit a 1 to 2, because I didn't like this area right here. This area right here sketched me out a little bit. So as soon as we hit this high right here, right where this red line is, I trail stop to it. So I instantly moved my stop loss to here, and then we lost but we still took a 1 to 2, just over a 1 to 2. So overall, very easy day, very happy with today. We had 2 chances to trade and both would have hit. So no complaints there. The game time is the best time. It's the fucking GOAT, guys. It's the GOAT. It's the GOAT strat. Yeah, I mean, not much else to say. It was a great day. If you'd like to learn how I trade, join my Discord. I don't really have any material or anything, but you can join. If you ask questions, I'll answer them. It's a very new community and there's not many people in it. So if you'd like to learn, join the Discord, ask some questions. I can give you guys a really good breakout strategy if you like. It works out really well. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Deuces.